All right, friends, I just wanted to make one short video to show you what the Canvas page looks like now. So obviously you go into your Transnational Anthro Canvas page, and the home page of it here is set up so that the new schedule that you're going to use for everything will be on here. I'll put the lectures to the video lecture links down here. Once I start doing them for the course content, I'll put the week under there. Some weeks or we won't necessarily have lectures because it will just be discussion based on the book. And some weeks there might be some concepts I want to highlight, and then so I'll make a lecture. There's weekly discussion threads and Zoom drop-in. So this is for every week. I want you to update me on your group projects. So you'll go into here, you can see my view shows me all the different groups, but you will only see your group in here. So you'll just be having conversations about your project with me and your teammates. The weekly Zoom drop-in, there's the information for that in there. That's from 3 to 4 on Thursdays. And then the virtual office is where you ask questions about anything that's going on in the class. So you just reply to here and then everybody else can see what's going on. So those links are there. Um, everything else will be under here. The new syllabus will go under here once I complete that. And then information about grading for the online discussions, overviews and expectations about those discussions. Oh, I did put this on here already. I'll move it up to there. So the syllabus is already on there. Okay, so then if you click on the new course schedule, you'll see how I've got it set up here. So this is just for this week to help you prepare to go online. So the virtual office is here. If you have any questions, you can ask them, but please first watch. The 4 videos are going to be right here. I haven't put them all up yet, but by the time I send you this video, they'll be there. So you're going to watch 4 videos, the going over the syllabus, the guide about the discussion posts, a short one about the rubric for grading, and then this short video, which is to just go over Canvas with you. And then if you still have questions, you can read the new syllabus, the grading rubric, and then the discussion, explanations, and overview. So then each week is basically going to look like this. Week 11. So all the work for the week is set up there. You do have to engage with the discussion on multiple days, but other than that, you could do things in advance. So this is the thing we're reading right now is the Fadiman book, Spirit Catches You. We are not going to have student-led discussions the first week because I want to give the students who are discussing a week to get a handle on the system and then have some time to talk and send me their discussion questions. So required, if there is no lecture for the week, that will be deleted. Probably for this first week, there won't be a lecture just because of the nature of the book that we're reading and the concepts we've kind of already gone over before we started this unit in class together. So then there'll be the main weekly discussion board question, which you'll start to answer by Sunday. I haven't put all the links in here, but they'll be in here. For this week, you're going to read chapter 6 to 13. Like I said before, you want to read at least about half of that by Tuesday. You can read it all by Tuesday. Your first post has to be on Tuesday night, and then you want to finish reading it by Thursday at the latest. So every week you'll do the discussion board. You'll update me on where you're at with your group. And then this I put up just for the first week, how to use Zoom if you don't already know how. But every week there's a Zoom drop-in and then a virtual office where you can ask me any questions that you have. And every morning and afternoon, I'm going to set aside time to post and respond to questions and post new questions on the discussion board and to check the virtual office. So I'll be engaging with those twice a day, Monday to Friday, and then as I'm able to on the weekends. So then on a week where there's a student-led discussion, it will say here too. So the first week, student-led discussion is Fabian, Kenny, and Amal. And so if there's a lecture, it'll be up there, the main discussion board. Then you'll also have to post at least 4 posts over 2 days on the student-led weekly discussion. And then the weekly update for transnational. That week you're going to have a revised proposal for what you want to do, and I'll put the prompt up there later. And then because the student discussion has some student content, that will be linked right over here. So here's the reading you have to read, and here's the video clip, newspaper, whatever will be linked to in this column right here, and then there's the optional things. So pretty much every week after that looks the same till we get to the last week, and we won't worry about that right now. I'll talk to you more about it later. So that's basically the strategy. Just a slight follow-up from um, the last video that I made is that when you're participating, so let me go to the syllabus. When you're participating in the student-led discussion, I had put how many days you had to post on, but I hadn't put how many times you had to post. So I've updated that here. Just waiting for it to load here. But you'll be posting on at least 2 different days, starting first on Tuesday night, and then at least one other day, and you'll post at least 4 separate posts. Um, and regarding the student-led discussions, if you want to know more about what a quality post looks like, you can use the rubric for the other posts. Let me just open up here, it'll probably be faster. All right, and then done here. Okay, so we'll go down to student-led discussions. So it's worth 8%, 2% for each week of discussion, and it's happening on 4 weeks. So you should participate on at least 2 different days and post at least 4 different quality posts, and then um, see the rubric for the main discussion for what a quality post looks like. Okay, I think that pretty much does it. Thanks a lot.